My husband and I decided we wanted extra room, so we started looking at metal buildings. We definitely needed strength and durability. I'm Elizabeth Miller, and this is my Hypersteel Story.
How big is this building?
It is a 30 by 60, and then a peak at 28. This will be the garage / welding area. And then
there's a second floor?
Yeah, there'll be a second floor. At some point in time, we're going to do stairs.
How much do you know about Hypersteel?
It's strong.
What about the weather here in Utah?
We have higher than average winds where we're right out of the Willard Bay over here, and then we've got a canyon line right here, so we get wind both directions. This part is going to be my climbing wall because it's Utah, we rock climb. So this will be my rock climb wall, and then this part is going to be, we haven't decided if it's going to be a full glass because I still want to be able to get to my rock wall from up there so I don't have to use the stairs.
And what is this?
That's my silks, and at the end, this will be my silks, so that's about 28 feet high.
Silks?
Silks, like Cirque du Soleil type silk.
You do that?
Yes.
You hang from silks that hang from a 28-foot ceiling?
Yeah, like that's a good one. You can do like 3 drops from there.
Of course.
3 drops?
Yeah.
Now, you mentioned that you were out here as the contractor put up the building.
Oh, yes.
Tell us about that whole experience.
So it was really cool because the company we got the building from sent how to. So if you know how to put an erector set or Legos together, you have a basic concept. It went together well, it's sturdy. It is exactly what all the pictures were. When we had our final inspection, the inspector said that it was overkill on everything and very impressive.
If you could tell your neighbors, a friend that asked you about this building and Hypersteel in particular,
what would you tell them? Yeah.
I'd do it. I've seen a lot of barns, I've seen a lot of other metal buildings, and I've seen how they start to cave in after time and they can't take a wind beating or a hailstorm.
You're excited about your building?
I am excited for all the joy and fun that we will have, and even doing it, because the journey is part of the joy.